is up YouTube? Cartwright Gaming here, back with another video, and today I'll be showing y'all how to get on top of the shooting range in Rainbow Six Siege. So we're going to start off by going into lane 1, and we're going to go straight up to this metal bar, this scaffolding bar, and we're going to line ourselves up with it and then get right next up to it as close as you can get. Look at this red toolbox, you'll get a vault prompt. Alright, so now what we're going to do next, we're going to run up straight to this box just like that. Now here's a really tricky part. What we're going to do, we're going to line our sight like directly with the box, and we're going to walk till we get to the edge. Just like that. So now this is the really tricky part. What we're going to do, we're going to try to find ourselves a vault prompt. We're just going to line ourselves up against this container and just keep on trying to move up and down, find the vault prompt. I'll speed this up for y'all so it doesn't take as long. And just like that, you're up here. So next part, what you want to do, go to your options, go to controls, and then you're gonna go to your mouse sensitivity, horizontal, and change that all the way up to 100. So then what you're gonna do, you're gonna spin around, just keep on spinning around until you see a vault prompt. I'd suggest just keep on spamming your spacebar button, and then you should soon get up there. Alright, and just like that, you're up here. So be very careful, because right over there, there's no collision with the ground, so you just fall straight through. So you're just gonna walk across here the whole entire time, and once you get right up to this pole, be careful, because it will make you fall off. Now, you can go over here to see a vault prompt, you can walk over here and then crouch down, vault, and you can, now you're free, so you can run all across this lane that is, you know, you can't get in. You can shoot this target that's back here, vault up on this thing. Now I'm gonna show y'all how to get over on this catwalk up here. So we're gonna go back, restart, basically what we're gonna do is we're just gonna redo the whole entire process. So just do the same exact thing the whole entire time. Alright, so
Be here all day.
we're just gonna,
Literally.
oh, you see that? I almost fell down. We're just gonna redo this. Alright, so gonna get to this pole, and right here is where you see the vault prompt. You're gonna vault up here, and you're free to get on this catwalk, and you can basically just get anywhere. So that's a quick little tutorial on how do you get out of the shooting range. And peace out, guys, and bye. Much love.